If you love salted cashews and spicy cashews, cashews with jackfruit, cashews with garlic, cashews toasted and roasted, you're going to love Melb's Cashew Factory, located right here in Coron, Palawan. In the cashew processing center here in Coron, Palawan. Look at this. Fantastic. So down here you process them, and then upstairs is the retail where you sell them. Well, it's a lot of work because you're doing it all by hand.
By hand. It's a manual process.
Oh, I see. There's no other way to do it, huh? Except you have to do it by hand.
Yes.
So you look at this.
And then pretties.
Look, yeah.
Once a year to produce the nuts.
Oh, I see.
So
Yeah.
it starts December until May.
Wow. So you get to make money for a few months, and then it stops
Yes.
until the following season.
Yes.
I
Then
see.
our first process, we dry the seeds under the sun for 3 days
Uh-huh.
to let the sap.
Oh, I see.
Then after dry, she cut one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Then after she cut, we remove the nuts into the shell one by one again,
Mm-hmm.
like this.
So this is where they harvest them. They put them in the bags,
Yes.
and they bring them to you for
Yes.
processing. It's a lot of work.
Yes,
Oh my
sir.
goodness gracious.
That's why the cashew is very expensive.
That's why.
Yes.
I'm wondering about that. That's the same all over the world. Very expensive, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then over here, what do you do? Oh, you're let me see. Is it okay? Can I come? Can I come over there and see?
Yes. Like this.
Oh, wow, I see.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
This is a bandi with jackfruit.
Oh, okay.
Flavor jackfruit.
That's jackfruit flavor,
Yes.
and then you package that and you sell it upstairs?
Yes, sir.
And this one here looks like it's
This is toasted with spicy.
garlic?
Yes.
Is that garlic? Oh, there's where that garlic cashew comes from. Yeah. And this one's jackfruit and cashew.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for giving your time. I appreciate it.
Anong lasa niyan kapag hindi luto?
Yung alin ha?
Hindi pwede mang kainin kasi may dagta siya. So, nakakapasok ko yun sa balat. Yan mismo, parang ganyan.
There's Ma'am Minnie working her phone in the cashew factory.
Taking picture of me.
Says so right there on the wall. Coron, Palawan.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, sir.
And then up above we have processor and retail up here. Okay, let's see what we want. Let's see what we can buy. I think I bought some product. Do you sell to the market? Do you sell over there to the market too?
Binibenta din yun sa market?
Wala ma'am. Ito lang po.
Just like,
Just here?
This is the only factory in Coron, ma'am. Wala kang makikita. Yan na, nakadedesplay lang. Nakadesplay lang na. Ito rin yung galing mo, nakadesplay lang.
Do you have roasted with salt? Just salt only?
Only
taste.
unsalted.
Free taste?
This is the
This is
bestseller.
Oh, that's the
sweet one.
sweet.
Jack-
And this is
jackfruit
salty.
caramel flavor. Same salted. This is the spicy one. This is non-spicy.
Mm.
Where's the no spicy? This one. This is
That's
the
all.
spicy po. This is the roasted. Oh, the roasted. This is the whole one. This is the split.
So this business is owned by your grandmother?
Again.
And what year was it founded?
1965, sir.
And this here is your
The sister of Melb's, my grandmother.
the sister of Melb's, your grandmother. Is your grandmother still alive?
Yes,
She is?
she is.
Is she retired or does she work still? Does she?
She is in the Puerto Princesa as of now.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Some
gonna.
business.
Melb's Cashew Factory right here in Coron, Palawan. in business since 1965. And the family is still here working the business right here. Grandmother's sister, oh wait, granddaughter and sister of the owner. Yes. Is processing.
Just be
And who's this over here? Is this family member too?
Yes.
She is? So one day she's going to be working in here. Maybe she's already helping. Yeah. Thank you so much, everybody. Melb's Cashew Factory, established in 1965. Still family owned and operated. Processes their own cashews. I had no idea they grew cashew on the island, but they do. They grow cashew here in Palawan, both here in Coron and El Nido. Cashew harvest season lasts from December through May, and they process right here down below. What a view. Can you imagine working here in Melb's Cashew Factory and then having this view every single day that you're working? That's amazing. Here's Coron at night. This is where everybody's hanging out. There's the Big B, the brew house. Yep, it's about 8:15. This is where everyone hangs out. All the backpackers and tourists. Yep. Wow, it looks different at night. That's for sure. Man, Minnie looks different at night.
A few moments later.
Wow, take a look at that pizza. It's delicious looking. Half spicy sausage and half taco salad. It's amazing. 12-inch pizza. We're gonna make short work out of this for sure. Yummy, yummy, yummy for the tummy. Right here in Coron, Palawan, Philippines. They have pizza here. We'll tell you where. Don't worry, we're gonna tell you where. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.